Hi guys, today I'll be reviewing and sharing my thoughts about the iPadOS and iOS version of XCOM 2 War of the Chosen. To me, this game is one of the best strategic games to play, and now it has finally released its iOS or iPadOS version, which means you can now play on your iPad or iPhone. In fact, it has just been released about 6 months ago. It was the moment I had been waiting for. I had always wanted XCOM 2 to release its mobile version, and now it's here. If you go to App Store, search for XCOM 2, you will see that the released version is called XCOM 2 Collection, not XCOM 2 War of the Chosen. And its price is about $24.99, which is quite expensive compared to other iOS games or iPadOS games. However, I think it is a fair price considering how fun this game is. The game size is about 2 gigabytes. But when you run the game for the first time, you will be required to download another 2 gigabytes of data to be able to play the game in a fully functioning way. You may also need an extra 4 to 6 gigabytes of storage to store the game data once you start playing it. Next, let's talk about the game interface and how you navigate through the game. It is mostly similar to what you do on a Windows computer. It's just that it has slightly less command options to use during a field mission than on a Windows computer. I mean, if you used to play XCOM 1, Enemy Unknown or Enemy Within on iPad or iPhone, you will get that similar experience. The slight difference is that in XCOM 1, the enemy within, you cannot command the second soldier to move yet if the first soldier is still on the move. However, for XCOM 2, you can click on the second soldier to move even the first soldier is still on the moving. Let's move on to the graphics. Even though the graphic details are not as awesome as on the Windows computers, it is still very smooth and really fantastic to see. It is an intense graphic game, so you may need a faster iOS device to play like 2019 or 2020 iPad or iPhone, so that the game can run fast and smoothly. For the gameplay itself, the fun experience of playing it compared to the Windows or Mac version is exactly the same. To me, I even find this more fun to play because it is now a mobile game, which means I can play it anywhere and anytime I want. It is a really awesome game to play, especially if you are a player who has lots of time to waste, not knowing what else to do during this pandemic. It will make you feel like time flies. Overall, I think if you love XCOM game and you want a mobile version of it, you won't regret buying this game despite its expensive price. Okay, that's it guys. This is just my review and my thoughts of the iOS and iPadOS version of XCOM 2 War of the Chosen. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Have a great day guys. See you in the next video.